TE's I/O products are designed for speed, density, efficiency, and flexibility. TE's I/O connectors and cable assemblies address next-generation data center needs by supporting aggregate data rates of 200 gigs and up to 800 gigabits per second. We've got a wide portfolio that spans across multiple data rates and generations, which includes SFP, SFPDD, QSFP, QSFPDD, OSFP, and CDFP that are utilized in servers, network interfaces, and high-performance computing applications.
In addition to TE's robust portfolio of cages and connectors, TE also offers cabled I/O solutions, which we've called OTB, or over-the-board. TE's OTB portfolio allows customers to avoid costly, high-performance PCBs for next-generation deployment, all while providing the required performance to meet industry and market needs. TE also has some unique OTB solutions that allow for discrete replacement and serviceability of only the cabled portion of the link.
As you can see here, our OTB offers a separable interface that enables upgradability without the need to remove the cage from the PCB. The OTB latch provides reliable assembly to the cage and ensures consistent mating to the module pads.
And there's more. TE's OTB portfolio extends well beyond the front I/O interface. TE can leverage our wide portfolio breadth to provide customers with any and all unique internal cabled solutions, from our Whisper backplane to our robust ICC portfolio.
Thank you for watching, and as always, we will continue to bring you next-gen products. Please visit us at te.com.